Let us fix this function, this box value function a little bit uh, to make it more effective for us. Okay, so let us assume that uh, at the moment we if you want by cohort we have 5 parameters, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But then, sorry, by market, but then by cohort, we don't want those two. So we want different statistical function for or different template for for different views. So the cohort view is supposed to be smaller than or like uh, with its smaller number of rows than the by market. Can we do this with this structure? So so the answer is yes, we can tweak this one a little bit. So in order to do that, we need to copy this one outside. So this one will be copy in here. So I will make it uh, uh, box template. This one for market, and then I will put the function here. Okay, so if you want to, you can just template one. So later, if the template two comes in, and then you can, um, mm, okay, so I just duplicate in here and then make sure that we have template two as well. And then assuming that in the template two, we don't need those V5 and V6. So I also have to clean this one over here. Okay, so you can see that actually we can have two templates now, and then in here, instead of using this function, um, I will give the function here, function equal to box template one by default. Okay, so this one I will make this equal to this function, this one. So the second function will be equal to this template. Okay, so later we change this function. Okay, so this one is very good structure first because it will be this one is very simple. So you can see here actually this boxing function has very 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. That's it. That's all we need this in this. And then the second thing is that uh, everything else here doesn't change at anything. So you don't have to change anything because the structure of the this function is the same. So you have the value and then you have the left here, and then the function here equal to template one. So so at the moment the two of them use the same template. Okay, so let me run this one first and then see. Okay, let me make it. Okay, so why the left? Oh, because of this. Uh, so because now you have the left value in here already, so you need to make the left in here and then left in here. And then this one you also have to pass the left in this function. Uh, so it has two function now. So sorry, it has two values now. The current group and then the left. So this doesn't work anymore, and then I have to change a little bit X and then okay. So just to make sure this one is the template, and then make sure this one is them. Go to the X and then go to the left as well. So the left will be taken from here, and then the X will be taken from here. So this is the lambda expression for this. So after this, and then let me run it again and then see how it works. Okay, so there you go. So you have the two structure now, for now, and then by market, and then by cohort. Now I will make them different. So I will make them the template here will be the template one, but then in here I will make it template equal to box template 2, and then it's supposed to run nicely, hopefully, right? Okay, so you can see here there are two different templates as of now. By market you have more rows, and then by cohort you have less. Whenever you change this function, you change this in here, the function, this template will change, but it doesn't affect this one. So basically they are independent. Okay, so let me show you how is this one work. So assuming that I don't want the median values for for this second template, I only need the min, max, and average. So I will delete this V4, and then in here I also delete this one. Okay, and then after this, if I run the workflow again, and then you can see the there are two templates, and this one very short, only three, 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. The left column, of course, is had to be there, and then uh, okay. So let us check how it works with the web page as well, right? Okay, you can see here actually uh, there are two templates as this one as well. Actually, to be honest, this one doesn't matter because the function here or the printing function, they work in the same way. They don't need the structure of they don't need to understand the structure of the table. They just need the table and then the title like this, and then they will print the title first, and then they print the rows and the column of the table. So you don't need to like specify any further information for any printing function to work, and then they just work like this. Any input table. So this also mean that um, the view in here and the view in the web page is they are the same view, the same view. Okay, so hopefully after this you understand how to customize your template, your computing template, or your view with more and less columns for each of the view, and then you still keep the same structure. You can see here the structure, mostly the structure is the same. You only need to uh, change this one. By the way, before ending this video, I need to emphasize one thing. In here, you don't see any template, and then, but if it makes no difference if you do this. It make no difference if you do this template one. Okay, so the reason is because when you don't specify, or you don't give, or you don't provide any template function here, it will look into this definition of the function, and then it will see, oh, whenever there's no template function, I have to take the box template one as a default value for in order for me to work. And then thus as a result, you don't have to specify. If it comes to template one, you don't have to specify, but it comes to two, and then you have to specify this these.